Hi, I'm Dan Frith. I'm the senior partner here at Frith Ellerman in Roanoke, Virginia. If you received a link to this video, it is most likely because we have declined to review your case based upon insufficient or inadequate damages. We tell our clients all the time you don't want to have a good medical malpractice case. If you do, it means someone has lost their life or their vision, the ability to walk, or similar substantial and dramatic loss, like a brain injury. For example, failing to diagnose a hairline fracture in your arm, while it might be negligence, it doesn't rise to the level of a medical malpractice case that you should want to pursue. You may ask, well, why? What are those costs? The cost of litigation can be very, very high in medical malpractice cases, unlike typical personal injury cases. Not only the cost high, but you have to deal with issues of insurance liens and the possibility of liens asserted by Medicare or Medicaid. But what are the costs? Well, first we request all of your medical records, hospital records, surgeon's records, primary care doctor's records, pediatrician records, whatever's out there, we need to go through them. The cost for those records is not great, typically $100, $150. We don't charge our clients for our time in reviewing those records, just for the cost of obtaining the records. If after reviewing those records we think your case has merit, then we go find an expert who's in the same field of the potential defendant to review it and provide us with his or her opinion as to the merits of your case. What does that cost? Somewhere between $2,000 and $3,500. Not inexpensive. If that expert gives us the green light and believes that you have a case and agrees to help us and testify at court, we file the suit. Suit costs $150 roughly. Varies from circuit to circuit, but that's about the normal or the average. Depositions are taken next. Depositions and court reporters' fees can run anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000. Getting the experts to come to trial and testify on your behalf, that is really expensive. Most of those doctors, if they're from out of town, have to close their office for a day and travel to Roanoke to testify, or wherever else we're trying your case. That can range anywhere from $5,000 to $6,000 a day or more, plus their travel cost. So the extent or the nature of your damages is a big consideration when you're deciding and when we're deciding whether or not to file and pursue a medical malpractice case on your behalf. Doesn't mean you got good medical care, but it just means economically it doesn't make sense for you to pursue it. I hope you found this video helpful, and I thank you for contacting our firm.